지금 병원에서 나왔어요. 엄청 돈 깨지게 생긴. 네, 결과는 괜찮다고 그러는데 뭐 약 알려주면서 약국 가서 사 먹으라 하네요. 과연 얼마가 나올지. 오늘 사람은 없어가지고 진료는 빨리 됐거든요. 네, 진료비가 얼마 나올지 걱정됩니다. 최소 2,000불에서 한 3,000불 나올 것 같은데. 와, 씨. 아프면 병원을 안 갈 수도 없고 뭐 어떡하자는 거야 이거. 먼저 얼전 케어에 제가 갔었거든요. 가니까 자기들 장비 없다고 뭐 울트라 사운드 있는데 가야 된다고 하더라고요. 그래서 검색을 해봤는데 그런 기기가 있는 데가 이런 큰 병원밖에 없어요. 병원에 가서 뭐 진료 볼 수 있냐고 하니까 ER 가야 된다고. 진료 보려면 응급실 가야 된대요. 그래서 응급실 진료 봤는데 다행히 뭐 췌장염이나 그런 건 아니고 괜찮다고 하더라고요. 근데 배는 아픈데 어떡하란 말이에요 이거. 진짜. 이사벨 데리러 왔습니다. 여기 기다리고 있네요. 네, 치과 1분 진료 받고 $100 냈습니다. 이사벨 이빨은 아무 이상 없고요. 네. 다행이긴 한데. 네. 이빨 그냥 보고 괜찮아 했지. 그게 끝이잖아. Crazy. Today is a pork day.
Today's using your barbecue day.
Yeah.
Hey, you should show your subscribers. This is my size I was when we got married, Duncan and I.
Yeah.
So I'm back to wedding size.
Nice.
I mean, I wasn't that skinny, but still, wedding size is good.
Yeah. And look at me.
Yeah, you're wedding size too because you didn't eat for 5 days.
It's a 6th day.
Aw.
Man, so hungry. I can't eat this because I'm sick.
No, not for Appa.
But I am cooking for my family.
Because you love your family. So all you got to do is just not eat for a week and you can also be skinny. But my guess is it's going to all come back when you start eating.
I don't know.
아빠,
응?
먹어 빨리.
먹어? 먹어 빨리.
안 죽어. Daddy doesn't get to eat it.
No, Appa doesn't get to eat it. Let's go inside.
What did you do? I love you. My head is so good. And I was the magic color. 안 나오냐? 맛있다. 아빠 왜 vinegar 써?
It's good. It makes your taste buds go.
참기름 넣네. 맛있어?
진짜 맛있어.
Hey B, do you want the spicy sauce or not spicy sauce?
I don't want
Okay.
앉아요.
Georgie. Oh, careful, George. Georgie. Poor Appa doesn't get it.
Oh. They got the some 계란 줘 안 줘?
계란이요.
Are you gonna eat plain noodles?
Maybe I can explain. 와, 조지 얌얌.
Well, if you eat because we are so our point is
Poor Appa.
super actually. You're just actually saying poor apple because you want to because you think you want to.
Oh, George is doing the chopsticks.
Wow.
Nice.
That, you're just really good at chopsticks.
뭐?
He wants the chopsticks.
Real
Korean. I mean, I feel bitter, so I think it's okay.
I'll just try this.
Don't go crazy.
Yeah, it's super spicy. Spicy stuff. This is good. I tried this. This looks little and it's not spicy. No!
You put that down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it up. No, put it here. B.
Smells good.
Sure.
왜 아빠는 사실 없어?
George's gonna eat it.
No, I'm gonna. No, not actually. Trying to get a lot.
The barbecue though, I don't know.
Barbecue not good?
It was good actually.
I didn't put any sauce. That's why.
Mama, look at Daddy. What? Daddy has gogi in here. Daddy did one gogi and put it there. Yeah, he did. I just saw it. Mommy, I just saw him put
I
the.
hope he doesn't get sick.
Well, the real part is just enjoy his meal.
Yeah, sure.
Eating dying. That's you.
But not dying. Your stomach aching.
Mommy, I'm not supposed to the sauce thing. How about
소스?
내가 뭐 할 거야?
섞었네.
Look, I actually did.
진짜.
See, mommy. Will somebody give me? Why do you only do that? Because I'm the real.
You're a whining guy.
For sure.
I'm the real one. I'm the real.
You're the real one. But look at that cutie baby.
I'm the real one who was the.
거기다 줘? 고기 여기 있는데? 고기. 고기.
Now you messed my hand up. He's saying, I'm hungry, bro.
I'm hungry.
No, but I hope he doesn't have upset tummy.
He is gonna have an upset tummy. Just gonna oh, I should have not ate. Oh, cat.
Do you think he'll cry a lot?
He's just gonna say, oh man, I wish I could eat again. Because he must feel better.
Everyone likes you the best in everything.
No.
In the video.
Who's the most pop? You should do a poll.
Oh yeah, I'm the
Who's the most popular? Isabelle, mommy, or daddy?
No,
It's
not.
you, B.
No, it's not. Yo, I'm in the.
Oh, I see what you mean. You don't want it to record for you right now. B, mommy just means that, of course, you're gonna win, so I don't even want to put you in competition.
He is the popular.
If I win, we all get to like party because I'm one of the kids. I'm the leader of the kids.
B, who do you think people like more? Mommy, daddy, or you guys? Me?
Both
Both of us and daddy just loses?
Look at my finger. I'm pointing at.
Yeah, I think daddy would win.
No. Me and daddy. But not you.
Maybe it's good. What are you talking about?
George, don't break it. It's not breaking.
Oh my gosh. This is so strong.
He's definitely gonna be good at writing early.
Oh, there's a lot of sand there. 맛있니 얘들아? 맛있으면 thumbs up!
Oh my gosh. George. Be an angel. You look like an angel. Why don't you act like a guy?
대박.
George versus me.
I think George.
Come on.
He's against the baby. So. Your boy's good.
Stop.
Special.
I'm gonna stop.
안녕하세요.
I'm gonna end all my food.
그러면 스키 쳐. Nice, George.
Right. My hands in the big seat.
병원에 다시 왔습니다.
진짜 빨간색이야.
아빠 진료받으러 와서 조용히 해줘요, 알았지? 네, 오늘 병원 진료를 받는데 항생제를 처방해 달라니까 계속 안 줘요. 계속. 모르겠어요. 이 복막염은 아니라고. 배꼽에서 고름이 나왔거든요. 근데 자기는 고름이 아니라고. 강력한 약을 처방해 줬다는데 항생제는 아니래요. 3주 넘게 지금 너무 고생하고 있습니다. 네. 미국 병원은 너무 헬입니다. 헬. 진짜 한국 가고 싶습니다. 진짜. 얼전 케어 갔다가 빠꾸 돼가지고 일 갔죠. 그 다음에 패밀리 닥터 보러 한번 갔고, 텔레헬스라고 전화로 하는 게 있거든요. 그것도 45불 줬는데 그것도 뭐 안 된다고 병원 가보라 하대요. 또 진짜 욕 나온다. 병원 너무 썩었어요. 미국은 진짜.
Baby Isabelle. Oh, it's baby Isabelle. Isn't she so cute?
Yeah, she's cute.
Isabelle asked me a lot of questions about C-section today,
Oh,
and she learned about placentas.
look at this one. Swelling.
You want to go spend another $3,000 and get it checked out?
They just stay home and you can take ibuprofen or Tylenol. Always.
Yeah, so that's what I always tell you. You
Yeah.
take ibuprofen.
No.
Or you could pay doctor $100 and he'll tell you same
Did you see the price?
from your ER visit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Goodness, I'm so afraid.
So we still haven't officially gotten the other bill, but
Yeah, I don't understand why they send bills like separately. Like always
'cause they don't-
confused.
but anyway, the doctor bill, a hospital bill. What do you think they are?
I was thinking like $2,000 or $3,000 because Beatrice went to the ER before and we paid like $4,000.
Yes.
It was crazy.
So yours, without any discount, regular price without discount is $1,000 for the doctor and almost $4,000 for the hospital. But we have a little discount, so doctor is $700 and hospital is $1,800. So what is that? About $2,500?
No! No!
When Beatrice went, I think
It was nighttime.
it was
That's
probably
why.
was nighttime. That's
Yeah.
an extra $1,000.
I went to the daytime, so maybe that's why it's cheaper.
Now it's expensive, but if we spend about $10,000 in 1 year, the rest of the year is free. So maximum amount is $10,000.
Because we have an insurance.
Yeah. But please only go if you're super sick.
I was super sick.
No, you were super sick.
I was super sick. I thought it's literally something happened. But I paid that much money and I still don't know what is my diagnosis.
That's too bad. You have upset tummy. That was your diagnosis.
And I asked the antibiotic always and they said no. And we used the telehealth. They said, oh, you must be see a doctor. No.
Yeah. And then they charged you $25. I'm sorry. That's life. If you're very rich or very poor, it's no problem.
But if you have a little bit money, you are gonna be,
You give it all to the hospital.
yeah, and you're gonna become a bigger.
My solution is don't get sick. That's what I do.
Can you control yourself?
I haven't been sick in like 5 years. Well, anyway, we're not moving back to Korea, so please bear it.
But I might fly to the Korea if I'm sick.
If you have big problems, sure. It's gotta save you at least the flight cost.
Actually, yeah, it's cheaper.
Yeah, you could have flown to Korea.
Yeah, it's cheaper, honey.
Just go to Mexico.
No, Korea is better.
It takes 4 hours to go to Mexico. It takes like 18 hours to go to Korea.
But how can I talk with them?
Hola. How do you say Hertzig? We'll look it up. They speak English. You're so silly. Why are you out talking with confidence?